Led by pride, King David ordered a census of Israel and Judah. But this act displeased the Lord. A choice of 3 punishments was given to David. He chose 3 days of plague, saying, "Let us fall into the hands of the Lord, for his mercy is great." Then God sent a pestilence upon Israel. An angel of destruction moved through the land from morning until the appointed time. 70,000 people fell from Dan to Beersheba, a nation in mourning. When the angel reached Jerusalem, his hand raised to destroy it, the Lord relented from the disaster. He commanded the angel, "It is enough. Stay your hand." The plague was stopped. David saw the angel and cried out in repentance, "I am the one who has sinned. But these sheep, what have they done?" This story shows God's immense power, but also his profound mercy. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this. God bless you and your family.